Hello and welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to teach you and explain you the sales machine blueprint. So basically, this is your blueprint which you are going to implement in your business as it is. So let's see what are the different components of this blueprint. So as you can see, the first block is about traffic, where I've mentioned Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and other sources of traffic. So the traffic that you will generate online through your Facebook page or through your Facebook groups or from Instagram or from YouTube or Google by running paid ads, all the traffic will be diverted to a page which is called a landing page. Now, what is landing page? I have already explained to you in the previous videos, and you have to design a landing page according to your product or service that you are selling. Now, when this traffic comes to the landing page, here you are going to explain about your product. Now, what happens is there is a possibility that once people land on your landing page, they might straight away buy the product and enter into your community or your hub. So now what is community or hub? So this is a very unique form of business that I teach, and I have learned this from all my mentors, that never do a one-time sales. Yes, so let me give you an example of hunting and farming. So hunting happens once, but farming is a recurring form of business. Yes, you implement the same thing in your business, and once you do a sale, get that customer into your community and hub so that you keep on nurturing the customer. So again, so if a customer comes on your landing page and buys your product, you make a provision for them to enter your hub, and then it can be either your VIP Facebook group or a Telegram group or a broadcast list, and you keep on nurturing them by doing upsell. Then you nurture these customers, and also you can keep on sending them emails for your upcoming products or service. You can also give them some discount coupons from time to time so that they come again and buy your product or buy some other product that you have launched. Say for any reason, if the customer who lands on your landing page and do not buy, you can at least capture their email ID and phone number so that you can do a follow-up with that set of customers, and you can add them to your email list and keep on sending emails to them and do follow-up. Or if you have a product or a project-based business, what you can do is you can pass on the data to your telecalling and follow-up team, and they can follow up with your customer and update the data in your system. Now, in terms of Facebook, what you can do is people who have come on your landing page and not purchased the product, you can retarget those customers on Facebook by creating retargeted ad campaigns. I have explained all these types of ad campaigns in the next course. It's an implementation based course, and if you want to learn more, you can just sign up for that course as well. So you have seen how simple the blueprint is, and we will talk about Facebook ads, organic marketing. We will also talk about landing page and email marketing in the next lessons. Thank you. I want you to take an action. I want you to comment below your takeaways from this lesson, and also I want you to comment that how and in which way you are going to implement this in your business. See you in the next lesson. Thank you.